Electronic drums have improved dramatically over the last decade or so, creeping ever closer to the experience of drumming on an acoustic drum set. The physical hardware, which these days includes a sturdy rack system and responsive rubber or mesh pad, and the impressive trigger technology that ensures and plays music when you strike a pad. The best electronic drum sets have never been better. In this video, we'll talk about breaking down the 7 best electric drum sets on the market this year, based on price, performance, durability, and more. We took a look at products in all cost ranges, so whether you want an excellent value drum set or the ultimate best one, we have the best option for you. As always, check out the links for the products discussed in the video below for the most up-to-date information. Stick around and don't miss a thing. Let's start this list with the Roland TD11KVS. Enhanced with supernatural power, this drum set series brings a more natural and realistic playing experience to drummers of any skill level and budget. It's affordable and simple to use. This new electronic drum kit is perfect for various applications, including practice, teaching, recording, live performance, and more. It also offers a variety of powerful features, including backing songs in different music styles, quick record or quick play, a coach function, a USB 4 MIDI or audio, and data storage. The V-pads feature Roland's amazing dual triggering technology, which results in accurate and even sensing between the head and rim. The PDX-8 for snare offers an expanded 10-inch rim for more comfortable and quiet rim shots. Further, it has a natural feel with a kick pad that has new mechanics and a cloth design-based drum head. That's the KD9 kick pad that provides a great feel, dynamic response, accurate triggering, and solid playability, even with a double pedal. This drum set is also effortless and quick to set up as well. Next, we have the Boss TD30KV. For over a decade, Roland's revolutionary V drums have led the industry in expressive sound quality and incredible playability. With the introduction of the supernatural-powered TD30KV V Pro series from Boss, it's an electronic drum set that reaches a new pinnacle in drumming performance. Supernatural sounds with behavior modeling, along with advanced sensing technology, provides a new level of expressive sound quality and playability, resulting in an instrument that reacts and responds to all the nuances and dynamics of a drummer's technique. Besides, USB audio playback functionality has been added for expanding performance palettes for the stage or professional recording. The new V Pro series is truly a complete and natural drumming experience. Keep in mind that hi-hat stands, hi-hat pedals, kick pedals, and snare stands are not included with the set. Boss TD30KV further comes in a solid stage set with a metallic gray and black chrome color finish that will rock any stage performance. Moving forward, we have the Yamaha DTX 400K. This is a full-size electronic drum kit with newly designed drum pads and a large 10-inch cymbal on adjustable steel rack systems. It's a great feeling kit that lets you play in comfort without disturbing others, and because it's from Yamaha, you can count on durability and dependability. This includes 10 drum training exercises for any level players that need help improving timing, accuracy, and endurance as well. It also features the KU100 silent kick unit that reduces vibration and acoustic noise. Its trigger module has custom-shaped buttons with LED lights that make navigating and operating intuitive and straightforward. You can use your iOS device and take control of the included free app. Also, mute the drum track and jam along with the built-in songs. Take training exercises and hone your skills before playing live. The remote HH65 hi-hat controller allows half-open hi-hat sounds for expression, which is normally found on much higher-priced kits. Further, a steel rack can deliver a robust framework for your playing experience. Next up is the Yamaha DTX 522K. This drum set gives you a lot of bang for your buck, with over 690 sounds, 50 preset drum kits that cover virtually every genre. You're assured of finding the perfect tone for any gig. This is incredibly affordable and diverse. It comes with the DTX 502 drum module, which delivers an unrivaled sound and response. It's designed for on-the-go musicians seeking lightweight headphones. The RH1C portable headphone delivers remarkable acoustic presence, and full, bright sound through exceptional dynamic ranges and open-ear designs. This module gives you the ability to create different user kits, where you can create and store your own personalized sets. This drum module gives you the same quality and versatility as many extensive collections, except you don't need to spend a fortune. It comes equipped with a high-quality metronome that allows you to customize the rhythm and tone functions for your liking. Next product on this list is the Alesis DM10 MK2 Pro kit. This drum module includes a hefty 74 kits and 671 sounds. This is truly a great marriage of fantastic sound quality and new-age drum technology. The innovative Alesis dual-zone mesh head drum delivers an incredible realistic drumming experience. The mesh head sensitivity can be adjusted with a knob for fine-tuning to match your playing style perfectly. The DM10 MK2 Pro features a premium 4-post quick-lock chrome rack with integrated cymbal arms that keeps everything anchored, no matter how hard you play. To further sharpen your skills, there's a built-in metronome and 3.5mm input for playing along with your mobile device, so you will be ready for the studio or the stage. In addition to the high-quality sounds available on the DM10 MK2 drum module, there's virtual instrument plugins that can be triggered by the USB to the MIDI connection. Up next, we have the Roland TD25KV. Serious drummers can tap into the high-end V-drum playability in a mid-level kit for the home and studio. It's equipped for a sound engine derived from the flagship TD30 and TD25KV that delivers all the acclaimed expressiveness that makes Roland's top-line V-drums the final choice of pro players everywhere. A streamlined interface makes it easy for creating personalized kits with intuitive features like the quick access metronome with dedicated screens, an on and off button, and a tempo knob. Building your drumming skills with the onboard coach function, while the built-in audio recording function lets you capture drum performances for evaluation and sharing. Other features include a mesh head pad for a natural feel, positional snare sensing for enhanced expression, and the VH11 V hi-hat for playing with authentic hi-hat techniques. When you sit down at the TD25KV, you'll enjoy expressive playability that rivals high-end V-drum sets. With its no-nonsense interface, the TD25KV sound module will further let you enjoy playing great sounds for any music right away. And finally, we have the Yamaha DTX 950K. When only the best will do, the Yamaha DTX 950K is the top-of-the-line electronic drum system. It features the new innovative DTX pad that has a silicone head design with input from their drum artist, with a different kick response and rebound from the snare and toms. A hi-hat responds naturally to both hands and feet, along with 3-zone chokeable cymbals. This guy here lets drummers express their passion for rhythm, just like they could on an acoustic kit. This utilizes technology from the Motif XS and effects from their digital mixers. The DTX 900 drum trigger module has the professional sound that brings your drumming to life. With optional DIMM installed, you can sample or load any music for endless expansion. For quiet practice, playing live, or as a controller, the revolutionary TCS head's playability is combined with Yamaha's digital sound technology, which makes this drum series the one to beat. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.